Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need a finished layout and the photo placed where the link should be active. Once your image is uploaded and sized, select it. Make sure the photo sits above other elements if it will act as the clickable area. This first step focuses on placement and clarity. You want a single image object to attach the link to. Do not group it yet. Linking works on the selected object. Now keep that photo selected so you can add the hyperlink in the next step. You'll add the actual URL to the selected image. Click the link or chain icon in the top toolbar, paste the full web address including https:// then press enter so Canva registers it. If the toolbar is hidden, open the More menu or right-click the image and choose Link. For multiple destinations, duplicate the design or create transparent shapes as hotspots. Once linked, test by clicking the image in Preview. Finalize by exporting in a format that preserves links. PDF standard or use Canva's share/present link for online use. After export, open the file in a compatible viewer and click the photo to confirm it opens the target page. If it doesn't work, reopen the Canva file, reselect the image, clear and repaste the full URL, and re-export. A key troubleshooting tip. Many image formats like PNG/JPG don't retain links. Always use PDF or Canva's sharing options to keep clickable functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.